Tons of unbeatable affiliate marketing tips and tricks. What if you could come up with a perfect affiliate product that sells over and over again, making you a nice chunk of change 24 hours a day? Finding the right affiliate products to promote is not always easy. The good news is, there are literally tons of products available for you to choose from. Use these tips to narrow down your choices. Pick a layout for your site that matches the image you want to portray. You want to make sure the style of your site matches the items that are on it. You don't want to throw viewers off by having a site that looks nothing related to the types of products that are available on it. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, include the biggest benefits of the item in the video headline. This ensures that you will draw in interested readers, and also helps to separate your review from other similar reviews of the same product. The easier it is for readers to see the benefits of the product, the more likely it is that they will buy. A great tip for success with affiliate marketing is to have web pages that are unique. Use these to promote the different products that you are marketing. You should aim to have a unique site for each individual product. You should always be sure to include reviews, testimonials, videos, and videos on these sites. When trying to get inbound links, focus on getting them from reputable sites. Having your page linked from just a few high-profile or highly regarded sites will do you much more good than having your site linked from 20 different link farms. Stay away from the link farms as much as possible so you don't suffer guilt by association with them. A good affiliate marketing tip is to make sure the products you're going to sell on your website are relevant. If you sell electronics, it wouldn't be wise to join an affiliate program that wants you to start selling pet food. Irrelevant products may confuse customers and drive them away. As you can see, a few techniques can help you choose affiliate products that you are really fired up about promoting. When something is near and dear to your heart, that comes through in every communication you make to your customers and the potential customers on your mailing list. It shines through in every video you write. Choose the right affiliate products for you, and watch your earnings go through the roof. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.